Here we are at our 2013 Berkshire. Model number of this one is B233RFX. This is a Tritoon for sale here on Norris Lake. It's powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard motor. And again, this is a Tritoon, and you've got the 3 pontoons. This one also has the aluminum underskin splash guard underneath of the decking. It's going to allow it to be a nice smooth rod. We've got docking lights here on the bow of it. This one's rated for 12. We've got a full mooring cover and a Bimini top. I've got it just kind of pushed outside of the slip here just to get it some better lighting for our video tour. Sometimes it's hard to take the photographs under the covered slips here. And I'm just gonna hop over this seat here, give you our walkthrough video tour. We will have the current asking price of this one listed at our website, which is www.yournewboat.com. Find the current asking price of it right there. We make it our website. Look for the Find Your New Boat button in the top left-hand corner. Click that. It's going to show you all of our inventory and order price. Just scroll down to get to the 2013 Berkshire 233 RFX Tritoon for sale. So here at your helm station, we do have a nice wood grain accent tilt steering wheel. We've got a Polk audio. This is an AM FM auxiliary input, Bluetooth satellite ready stereo. We've got 4 stereo speakers. We also have a Humminbird 386 CI GPS and fish finder. I'll turn that on. We have 109 hours on our 108.7 currently showing on our 150 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard motor. We've got a 12-volt power outlet right here, and of course your auxiliary input for your stereo. So on this Hummingbird display, you've got, like I said, you've got the fish finder and a chart plotter. I believe you hit view a couple times, it's going to show you just the chart plotter right there. There's an overhead shot of the chart plotter, and then there's your combo screen. It's going to show you your water temperature, your GPS speed, and then it's also going to show your fish finder sonar on one side, your chart plotter on the other, and there's your depth right there. Gas gauge, battery voltmeter, engine trim gauge. Here's your tachometer with the built-in hour meter. Do have LED docking lights on this one. Notice you've got the dual captain seats. These both will swivel and recline, your driver and passenger seat. And then we've got the center filler cushion up here in the bow. This would have 3 entry gates, but we've got this one mounted here in the bow area. It makes you a nice large U lounge area. Now this does not have a pop-up changing room, but it is changing room compatible. One can mount right here. You'll have the frame here, and then of course the frame would fold up if you wanted to add a pop-up changing room. That's the place to add it. Should point out we do have a little bit of wear on the upholstery on that corner right there. So right now you've got just the plastic molded seat bases. You've got storage in all your seats right here. Seat backs will lift up for additional storage space as well, and some under helm storage. That's where I've currently got the the mooring cover, or the playpen cover. So entry gate here on the side. Bimini top overhead. We've got the center walk-through layout, removable lounge table right here in the center. Single battery on board. This battery's 2 years old and does have a battery switch. So rear entry gate, you'll notice the flooring switches over from marine carpeting to the teak style low maintenance vinyl flooring. We've got a ski tow bar, 31-gallon onboard fuel capacity, and this is that 150 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard motor. Swim boarding ladder in this corner, and should point out we've got some stains in the carpeting. I'll show those in the photos as well as point them out to you here today. Just light scratching on the interior of that paneling there, and there's one other spot on the exterior I'll try to show you here in just a moment. So again, visit our website see the current asking price. This is a 2013 Berkshire B 233 RFX Tritoon for sale. I think I mentioned that ski tow bar. We do have C-Star hydraulic steering. I'm going to bump this forward here and see if I can't climb back off the boat and give you a look down the exterior one last time. So right here on this corner plate, we've got a few little marks, and right here on this corner panel, just a few little scratches in that aluminum fencing. Otherwise, this is a really clean boat. Again, this is a one-owner boat. It's been on the Norris Lake. Been on Norris Lake since it was new. It's been lift stored undercover, used here locally in fresh water. The lift that it's currently on, this is on a front mount lift at a popular marina here on Norris Lake. This lift would be available for an additional purchase. If someone wanted to keep it right here, we'd be happy to facilitate that. So just wanted to pull that up enough where I could show you kind of your aluminum underskin. And then there was one other slight scratch. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, right here on the aluminum siding there. So that's going to wrap things up for us here today. You should see a little orange Your New Boat life ring that'll pop up on your screen. You can click that and that will subscribe you to our YouTube channel. That's where you'll be one of the first to be notified of any new listing that hits our area. Again, this was the 2013 Berkshire B 233 RFX Tritoon for sale here on Norris Lake, powered by that 150 horsepower Yamaha outboard motor, 109 hours on it. Thank you again for joining us. Look forward to speaking with you. If you've got any questions, we don't monitor our YouTube comments, so if you've got questions, click over to our website. You can contact us by phone, by text, or by email. Be happy to answer any questions through there or schedule your own viewing of this one. Thank you again for joining us.